Hey guys, today I found 2 fragrances on discount at my local TJ Maxx in Burlington, and I'm going to talk about them. So if that is content that you want to see more of, be sure to subscribe to the channel. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you can see from the footage, I didn't get footage from Burlington. I only got footage from TJ Maxx. I'm gonna pop up a photo right now here from Burlington. The place looked like a cyclone hit it. It was so bad. I had posted that picture on my Instagram. Guys, be sure to follow me, Boston_accents on Instagram. Burlington reached out to me. They apologized. That's not the feedback I was looking for. I've seen it a million times like that. I think a lot of you guys across the country have seen it as well. Look, if it helps them sort of fix their stores, then so be it. But that's not what this video is about. Today, we are talking about the 2 fragrances that I was able to pick up. The first one was from TJ Maxx, and that scent is Abercrombie and Fitch, Away. Now, I've heard this one talked about a little bit. I don't know much about it, and honestly, I don't have high hopes for this. I don't know why. I feel like this was kind of a throwaway fragrance for them, but we're going to try it nonetheless. $19.99 for the 50 ml, which is not too bad. And this is also not one that you see that often, so I wanted to grab it. And the next scent was an absolute steal. Amazing fragrance. I have a 30 ml in my collection. Maybe I will do a giveaway with that in the future. This is the 100 ml, and the scent we are talking about is Uomo Signature from Salvatore Ferragamo. This is more of a bonus one because I've covered this on the channel before, but what the hell, I'm gonna spray it and let you guys know what I get from it. So let's jump into it. I'm gonna start with the Abercrombie and Fitch, Away. So the bottle here is pretty straightforward. I'm not sure, from the box, it gives you instructions as to what this little thing does, which not crazy about, to be honest. It looks kind of chintzy and cheap, but my guess is that you have to, you just move that back and then you can access the atomizer. Nice atomizer on it. Very fresh in the air, super fresh. Bright, citrusy, aromatic, picking up some herbal notes already. This is nice in the air. Super fruity off of the strip. It's reminding me of other things, for sure. You've smelled this before. It's really fresh though, really nice. It's easygoing. I don't think this one's gonna last particularly long. And what it is reminding me of is something like a YSLY, the EDT, really bright, refreshing, juicy sweetness up top, a little musky. You have maybe something like a sage in here. It smells a lot like that scent. This would be good for guys, you know, younger guys, school, perfect for school. It's appropriate for that. A little bit aquatic, yeah. You've smelled this before. It's nothing. I wasn't expecting much, but nonetheless, it's not a bad fragrance. Let's take a look at the notes really quickly. I'm going to put this on skin, see what it does differently, but yeah, not a bad scent. A little metallic too. Let's take a look at the notes. So the notes for Abercrombie and Fitch Away, top notes are violet, pineapple, and grapefruit. Mid notes are geranium, ginger, and pepper. And the base notes are vetiver, woody notes, and sandalwood. I'm a fan of Abercrombie and Fitch's fragrances. They tend to deliver in the, overall quality and scent department and give you a lot of value for what they typically charge for them. However, longevity they're not known for longevity or performance. So they are more in line with something like a Zara, where it's good quality, scent smells great, but you're not going to get the same performance as you might get from like even a mid-level to higher-end designer fragrance. So off of skin, it's very pleasant. I'm picking up sort of almost a minty-ness to it now off of the skin. That could be coming from that geranium. Along with that fruitiness, it's a little bit spicy. Smells really nice. I'm going to go out on a limb and say this one's not going to last. I'm going to wear it. Overall, I guess this is kind of mid for me. This is nothing that you need to rush out and get if you're on a severe budget. Again, 50 ml for $20 isn't bad. You're getting a pretty nice quality fragrance. I've tried a lot worse from the rack store. So yeah, overall not blowing me away. They have much better fragrances. First Instinct together. If you see those, grab those. First Instinct Extreme as well. Amazing fragrances. This one just isn't hitting the mark for me, but not a bad scent overall. Abercrombie and Fitch Away. Let's jump into the Uomo Signature. So here you got Uomo Signature, and I love this little thing here. They throw in this little plastic sort of ring to stop the atomizer from squirting in the box. But I think this one you turn. Yeah, this one you turn. So it's locked into spray. You just turn it. Sorry, the other way. And well, let's check out the atomizer. Great atomizer on here. I'm just such a fan of this DNA, and spoiler alert, this lasts. This one lasts quite a while on skin. Okay, so this one, oh man. It has this powderiness to it, this vanillic powderiness. Cinnamon, spicy cinnamon. I did a short on this recently. If you guys didn't see it, I likened it to something like enjoying a cinnamon cappuccino, a creamy cinnamon cappuccino while sitting on a soft leather couch. And that's what this reminds me of. It has a really soft leather note to it. It's really well balanced. It borderlines gourmand with the sweetness, but the sweetness is just spot on for me. Really sexy scent. I think this is ideal for a night out, a cooler weather night out. For $40, this is an absolute bargain. I love this stuff. This and the original Uomo are two of my favorite fragrances. A lot of you guys prefer the Signature over the original. I like them both. I think the original is a little more on the gourmand side. It's a little sweeter to my nose. But it has that tiramisu note in there. This one is a little more grown up, refined, more for going out and dressing up a bit. The other one's more casual for sure. So they nailed it there. I think that was their intent, was to have a sort of grown up, go out, dressy type version of the OG. And they did that beautifully here. This stuff is incredible. Let's take a look at the notes really quickly. So the notes for Salvatore, Ferragamo, Uomo. Top notes are pink pepper, Italian mandarin, and grapefruit. Mid notes are cinnamon, cardamom, and cypress. And the base notes are tonka bean, leather, roasted coffee beans, and patchouli. So lots of notes, but yeah, let's put this on skin really quick. Might as well, right? All right. Yeah, in the air, fantastic. This one has really nice sillage to it. Lasts a long time on skin. Oh, man, yeah, just super impressive. The leather really comes alive off of the skin. Yeah, I absolutely love this one. It's creamy, it's powdery. You're gonna need to like powdery fragrances. Now, coffee for me comes across as a powdery note. Don't know why, don't know if it's just my skin. Drop it in the comments if that happens to you as well. Guys, absolute steal. Definitely the better of the two fragrances that I was able to grab. But this one is the winner for sure. And if you see it at your local Burlington, you need to grab it. Just grab it. Trust me, you're gonna like this one. It is a little unique for a designer fragrance. It kind of has its own lane, and it's going to work in a lot of situations, especially in the colder weather. So it's also a perfect gift for a guy in your life, boyfriend, dad, brother, son, whatever. If you find it at Burlington, skip all the other stuff and grab this one. And they tend to have stuff like this around the holidays. So that's all I have today, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below what your last rack store pickup was. Do you enjoy any of these fragrances? Abercrombie and Fitch Away, Uomo Signature. Let me know your thoughts on these. If you like what we saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Hit the bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.